Okay, now we'll be moving on to the question number 9 that is regarding quantum technology. Now, what do you understand by quantum? Literary definition देखे तो it just means a quantity, whereas in physics terms, quantum means smallest discrete quantity. Matter का smallest discrete quantity is atom, as we all know. Now, this is father of atomic bomb, J.R. Oppenheimer. Recently जो film निकला था, it's very good. Now, before we move on to quantum computers or quantum technology, let us look at a small difference between quantum computers and traditional computers. Traditional computers work on the foundational bits, whereas the quantum computers foundational basis are qubits, that is quantum bits. Now, bits are nothing but the states of a particular computer or the logic states of a computer, and generally we have two logic states, that is 0 and 1. It's either off or it's on. But in quantum computers there are at least three states, one being the traditional 0, second being the traditional 1, off or on, whereas the third state, that is the both, is nothing but a superposition of both 0 and 1. Now this superposition is the thing that differentiates quantum computers from traditional computers, because it is a state where the presence of 0 and 1 are simultaneous, and they tend to accentuate the physical processing capabilities of quantum computers. Now, what applications do you have regarding quantum computers? This is a very small definition of quantum computers. A much more deeper analysis could be done, but it would be beyond the scope of this video. Now, applications, if you see, quantum computing, as we all know, is a very up and coming field. It leads to faster processing speeds, quantum cryptography, जहाँ पे future proof security standards are being developed right now. उसको quantum comms भी बोल सकते हैं हम. Synthesis of different materials such as superconductors or semiconductors, जो अब तक पॉसिबल नहीं था, दिस इज़ बीइंग डन बाय क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स. सिंथेसिस में काम आ रहा है, इंडस्ट्रियल स्टैंडर्ड्स इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं. क्वांटम कम्युनिकेशंस, स्पेशली विथ रिगार्ड्स टू मिलिट्री कॉम्स और स्पेस कॉम्स, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो up and coming field in quantum technologies. Now limitations कुछ हैं quantum technologies के. The first being, it is highly susceptible to changes in surroundings. They are kept in ultra cold, the quantum computers are kept in ultra cold safes, and even a small difference in temperature could lead to making mistakes by the particular system. They are very expensive. They can render existing security protocols obsolete. When we go into a website, we'll be looking at the top URL bar where there will be written HTTPS, www, and so on. ये जो S है, this stands for secure. Now this security is being provided by certain encryption algorithms like AES और RSA. ट्रेडिशनल अगर हैकर या फिर कोई सॉफ्टवेयर है जो ब्रूट फोर्स अटैक यूज़ करके ये सब इंक्रिप्शन प्रोटोकॉल ब्रेक कर सके, दिस वुड टेक मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स. But for quantum computer this would maybe take a few hours. This is primarily because the simultaneous existence of a state where 0 and 1 can be superimposed on each other, and that is why the processing capabilities of a quantum computer comes down the processing time of a quantum computer comes down drastically. So सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल्स को नलीफाई करने में शायद अभी भी थोड़ा टाइम बाकी है, मे बी अराउंड 15-20 years, बिकॉज RSA एल्गोरिथम जो है which is the most widely prevalent one, इनको ब्रेक करने के लिए एटलीस्ट वी नीड 20 million qubits. नाउ एट द वेरी मैक्स IBM के पास जो अभी सबसे अच्छा क्वांटम कंप्यूटर है, इट प्रोसेसेस qubits एट अराउंड 436 to 512 qubits उनके पास है. So to reach a quantitative capacity of 20 million qubits, we are still quite a few years away. Another drawback is that हमारे डे टू डे लाइफ में अभी क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स का कोई ऐसे रोल है नहीं, बट दैट विल बी चेंजिंग वेरी फास्ट. और विद द एडवेंट ऑफ AI in the future, quantum computers को कंट्रोल करना it may be very very difficult. Now if we need to look at a quantum computer, this is the example of one circular. Now these two personalities are very well known in the internet field, the one being Marcus Brownlee, MKBHD as we all know, and this is Cleo Abraham. She is a journalist. So इनके YouTube चैनल पे एक बहुत अच्छा वीडियो है रिगार्डिंग क्वांटम कंप्यूटर्स. I implore you to check it out. They had visited the quantum lab of IBM, and this is the IBM quantum computer that I was talking about. It has a capacity of around 436 qubits currently. Now on the national front, we have a national quantum mission with an overall outlay of rupees 6,000 crores. The initial or the first phase of its development, we are targeting at around 550 to 1000 physical qubits in 8 years till 2031. This is a small facet of the National Quantum Mission. Please do check it out. Also in other news, ISRO had achieved quantum key distribution for a distance of around 300 meters. Quantum key distribution is nothing but communication capabilities using quantum tech. 300 meters का वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग किया गया था using quantum tech by ISRO, which would lead to much more secure comms in space and military. So it is wide-ranging applications which would be beneficial for India's geostrategic interest in the future. Thank you.